Hi, Vince Math. It must be Maths by MA. Welcome again to the world of Maths by MA. So this is one of the best question of the month is in front of you. I would say please pause the video and try to solve this question. I hope you have paused the video and tried to solve this question. Though chances are you are not able to solve this question because this one has a lot of concepts and the multiple learnings. So I would say on the each step, I'm going to give you one more concepts. Try to understand the concept, make a note and give your best. Let's check the final outcome first. So this one is our final outcome. If the radius of the quadrant is R and DC is angle bisector of angle GDE and this one is a square. So DG required line is nothing but radius divided by root 6. And I would suggest please pause the video and take the screenshot, or you can also get this image from these social handles. So first let's solve the question. DG is nothing but radius divided by root 6. Then we'll check the concept behind this or the proof behind this. As we know, if we got the radius, this value is nothing but radius divided by root 6. So this one is nothing but root 18 or 3 root 2 AD. So we can say this one is also 3 root 2 because this one is nothing but a square and we just join A to C. By the Pythagoras, if this one is A, this one is A, this one is A root 2. So this one is 3 root 2, this must be nothing but 6. So which one is nothing but radius because center to circle is the radius. So radius is 6, this value is nothing but 6 divided by root 6. X is nothing but root 6 is the answer of this question. So if you know the outcome, this would take hardly 10 to 15 seconds. But I won't suggest remember all the outcomes. You need to understand the concept, then need to solve the question. So to solve this question, we first need to prove what is the value of X. That one is nothing but DE. This could be one of the question of the basic level examination. This could be one of the question of the higher level examination. So first we solve X with the help of Pythagoras. Then we solve nothing but DG with the help of power of point. Let's first get how we are going to get X is equal to root 3 by 2R. So here we want DE is nothing but root 3 by 2R. How comes? Say AE is the radius. Perfectly fine. So the AC is also the radius. AC is also the radius. And since we have the square, if this one is radius, by Pythagoras, we can say this one is R by root 2, which one is AD. Fine. So in triangle ADE, I know A is nothing but 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras, we can say the DE is under root of the AD square, which one is R square by 2, plus AE square, which one is R square. After solving this, we'll get DE is nothing but root 3 by 2R. Fine. So we got our first outcome. This one is nothing but root 3 by 2R. Now we are looking for the value of DG. Let's work on the value of DG. For this, we need few constructions. Okay, what I have done, I extended EA line and GD line. Say this point is nothing but H. We know these two lines are the parallel due to the square property. So if this one is alpha, this must be alpha. And if we extend, this angle is alpha due to the parallel line property. Base angles are alpha alpha. So we can say boss, these two lines should be the same due to the isosceles property. We know this one is root 3 by 2. So this must be nothing but root 3 by 2. Now we have a 90 degree from D. What it's mean? A perpendicular is always a bisector if we have isosceles triangle. If this one is radius, we can confirmly say this should also be a radius. Radius means center to radius. We can say the H should lie on the circle itself. If we join EG, there's no need of doing this construction, but we can say this angle is nothing but 90 degree. We have, how comes? Because of the diameter angle. Diameter makes angle 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. So we can say ADGE is a concyclic quadrilateral because the opposite angles are 90 degree. We can use the Ptolemy here because concyclic and we can solve the question. Though there is no requirement of this construction. So remove this part and work on the power of point, which one is the easiest. What is the power of point inside? If you have a circle and two chords are intersecting at this point, if this one is X, this one is Y, this one is M, this one is N, this must be nothing but X into Y is equal to M into N. Now, for this figure, if we draw this figure again, this one is center, isn't it A? This one is nothing but E. Fine. This one is nothing but H. and we have this point is nothing but D. This point is nothing but D. This point is nothing but F. So if we say this line HD is nothing but root 3 by 2 R, fine. This line is what? This one is, say, we need to find this, say the M. This one is M. If we extend this line, what we are going to get? This one is again the radius. This one is radius. What was RDA? DA is nothing but R by root 2. So this one is nothing but R by root 2. What is the DF point? What is the DF? DF is completely R minus R by root 2, because A to F is the radius. So use the power of point at D. So what the power of point says, HD, we can say HD into DG, which one is required, is equal to, say, this bottom point is P, is nothing but PD into DF. This one is power of point. What is the HD? HD is nothing but root 3 by 2, the complete root 3 by 2 R. DG is required is M. What is the PD? We have radius plus R by root 2. This one is AD. And what is the DF? We just found DF is nothing but R minus R by root 2. So this one is root 3 by 2 R into M. And this one is A plus B. A minus B is nothing but R square minus R square by 2. Which one is nothing but R square by 2. This one is complete root 2. R to R cancel. From here we can say root 3 by 2 M is equal to R by 2. So our M is nothing but R upon 2 into root 3 by 2, which one is R upon root 6 is the answer of this question. So this was the outcome. There are many other way, like the Ptolemy. As I said, we can use Ptolemy in ADGE, or we can use nothing but coordinate geometry and solve the question. There are many other ways too. Sine, cosine, you can use that. But this one is a construction method, which is a basic property of geometry, and I use only the basic properties to let you know if you have a question, you can solve question quite easily if you know the basic property of any concept. So this one is our learning. If we have a radius is given, we know this one is nothing but root 3 by 2 R, and this one is root 3 by 2 is complete bracket, and this one is nothing but R by root 6. Or the relation between these two is nothing but if this line is x, this must be nothing but x by 3. So I hope it is okay. We have a lot of learning in this concept video. I would say if you have any doubt, rewind all the concepts, watch the video again, and still if you have any doubt, post your doubts in the comment. I'll try to give my best to resolve your doubts. And this one is our homework question, where DG is given 1 and we need to find the area of AED. So take your time, watch the video again, and I want the solution of this question in the comment box. If you have any doubt, feel free to ping me. And at the last, I want to say, if you have not subscribed the channel, must subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notification, and must share with your friends. You can follow me on my social handles. These are my social handles and the accounts. So God bless you, happy learning, and stay ready for a great concept in next day. Bye-bye.